Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Melt. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out this new HPI 164 scale Porsche Martini liveried transporter, and it is a 1971 Mercedes 0317K, and they only made 3 of these as far as my research could find. There's only 2 in existence, and they were made by converted from a Mercedes bus originally by a Robert Shank company. So we would go ahead and check this out. I'm not even sure. I think this is resin for the most part, most of the body. So there's the box, and we will dismount it. I can already see there's an issue here at the steering wheel. I don't know what's going on with that. All the Mercedes buses that I could find online, they were all left-hand drive, so I'm not sure why the steering wheel is on the right-hand side. I saw that as soon as I unwrapped this. I had purchased this directly from China over the holidays, and it took, well, way before the holidays. It took several months till it came. But we'll see what's going on with that steering wheel there. I'm not too happy about that. But stored underneath, we have all the ramps. There we go. All right, here's some kind of a clear decal of some sort here on the back. I guess that was probably to keep the doors closed. No, that's nice. Lovely. That's not good. So there we already have an issue. And this was not inexpensive by any means. I don't know why they put a sticker on the back like that. It says it's number 404 out of 599. I'm going to dismount it off of here and take a look here at it. So there's the underside. I'm already upset about the decal on the back. Sure doesn't weigh anything, I can tell you that, once you get it off the base. I think it's just hard plastic. I don't think it's really resin, but it does feel like it has rubber tires. Yeah, the steering wheel is busted off, that's for sure, because now it's going all of a sudden. I don't see the steering wheel at all in there. So maybe we can take it apart here and see if I can get that out of there. Maybe we can fix that. Yeah, hopefully we can fix that, because there's all comes apart fairly easy. So there's the steering wheel. Yeah, it was busted clean off. It looks like it was busted off and someone tried gluing it back. There's some glue on there. Well, let me glue that and we'll come back to it. Put it back together, but I don't see, there's no kind of instructions or anything here with this, so that's kind of frustrating because there's all kinds of parts here. I assume this goes like that, right, for the second decker, the double decker part of it. Now there's little, these are all really fine photo etched metal louvered ramps, so I don't even know how in the world they go. Oh, there's a little, you can see there's kind of like a little indentation, a hooked end, so maybe they go like that. But then you have these really tiny little piano wire pieces, which I have no idea. I'm gonna have to go try to look on a picture. I'm thinking they might go right here, maybe on the sides. Like that, maybe. They're so delicate that just bent would be. I'm just barely holding it. It just bent. I have no idea. I might have to look at some pictures here then and try to figure out what goes where, because I have no clue. They probably go. I'm not sure. Not sure how they go. We'll have to figure that out at some point in time. Let's put this. I don't think that's going to work. I'm not sure how it goes like that, maybe. Well, I don't think that's going to fit in there, and that's supposedly the same scale. Well, this was a big fail. Unless it would only fit the prototype racers. Like the 908s, 906s, 917s, etc., etc. Yeah, it's too wide. I can't even get the... I was hoping that would fit in there. Well, that didn't work. Now, this 935/76 is one I just reviewed recently, and it's absolutely awesome. That's from Kyosho. But maybe we can at least put the ramps here and get a picture of it kind of like sitting as so. Let me get my turntable. I don't know about this thing. I paid a lot of money for this too. I'm not too impressed with it. And if you look underneath it here, I was looking at it when I was putting it back together, and it's got the black trim is all hand painted, which is fine, but then you got brush strokes underneath. There's like brush strokes there. You can kind of see it right here by the exhaust pipe, and over here it's kind of cheesy. But all the lights and everything look good on it. The sheen part of the decal already fell off the back. I'm not happy about that at all, considering what I paid. Alright, so let me grab the turntable. Looks pretty cool like that, but you can't really fit any cars in it. You can probably see there, I just noticed something else. The front window, it looks so flimsy. It's all... Yeah, they used a very, very thin, almost like a packaging plastic there for the front. And it kind of looks... Let me see if we can see that. That looks... I guess if you don't really look at it too close, but you can kind of see it's a really soft grade of thin clear plastic. I don't know, I'm not too happy with this. I guess it'll look cool in my case. I'll have to fix that decal on the back there. I don't think this would fit in there either. Nope, that's way too big. All right, well, there you go. That's a big disappointment. The HPI 64 Martini livery Porsche Transporter, which was a 1971 Mercedes 0317K, one of 3 ever made. These were powered by inline lay down flat 6-cylinder. Was 220 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque, 5-speed transmission. But the engine was quite interesting. It actually would lay down flat like the motor. When you research these, you also will see them in the Gulf livery, Essex, and Rothman livery as well, because they were kind of moved all around. And they used them from the 1960s on up till the early 80s with the 956. I'm not sure if the 962 program used it or not. It probably did. But so there you go. That's pretty cool. It's need a little bit of work maybe and fix some things up when I got to glue that steering wheel in there. And but it's a little bit of a disappointment for what I paid for it. But there you go. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it's free. You can't be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time. That was long. Let me see if I can get some other shots here. I had my GoPro set up this time. You guys probably noticed a completely different angle here of shots. So I don't know if it's going to look good or not. It'll be my first time using my GoPro. Just wanted to see. I purchased a separate microphone jack and all that stuff for it. I wanted to see how this worked. Gives a different look, I guess.